In this video, I'm going to show you how, when you've got Notability already syncing to Dropbox on an iPad, how you can add a second iPad or even an iPhone and then sync your notes between all the devices. Now this process can be a little confusing, so let's take a look at how it works. When you have one iOS device connected and syncing to Dropbox, you can install Notability on another device and then link that to the same Dropbox account, no problem. What you'll notice though is that your notes do not automatically sync to the new device. You can start importing your notes from Dropbox manually, but if you're like me, what you want is a nice automatic syncing of everything between your tablet, your phone, and Dropbox. So here's the right way to set this up. If you want to share the same set of notes between multiple devices, what you want to do, instead of connecting all those devices to Dropbox, is to connect only one device to Dropbox, probably the one that you want to use the most, and then sync the devices with each other using iCloud. This way you have the convenience of seeing your notes on all of your devices while backing it all up on Dropbox. So in this video, we've got one iPad already working with Dropbox, and we'll focus on how to add the second device. This is the new iPad that I'll be syncing to an existing one. I'm going to do a quick search for my Notability app and then tap on it to open it. You can see that currently there's nothing here. This icon that looks like a gear down here is your settings. I'll tap on that to open it. If I go over here to Auto Backup, this is where I would select Dropbox in order to set up automatic backups. Instead, I'll go to iCloud and turn this on. Now notice I get a message that iCloud is not available. That's because there's one more place that I need to turn on iCloud, and that's back in my iPad settings. So I'll exit out of this and use my home button to leave the app and then click on my settings icon. Now I'll tap on iCloud. If you haven't done it already, you'll need to set up an iCloud account, and you'll need to be sure to use the same account information for each device you want to sync up. If you search YouTube for Set Up iCloud on iPad or iPhone, you'll find several videos that can walk you through this. I already have iCloud turned on in order to use the Find My iPad feature. The reason Notability can't use iCloud is because I haven't turned on Documents and Data. If I tap on that and then swipe on Documents and Data, then I'll see the apps that can share data over iCloud. Now I can turn these on or off as I wish, but the main thing I'm looking for here is that Notability is now on. So I'm done here. I'll tap the home button to exit and then return to Notability. Back to settings, and now I can turn iCloud on. And now my notes are all syncing to this device. So now my notes are all synced up. It didn't take very long. And now if I create a new note and then save it, when I open Notability on my other iPad or iPhone, I should be able to see it. Now, one important thing to point out: this note will not be backed up to Dropbox until I open Notability on the iPad that is auto-syncing to Dropbox. So that's how that works, auto-syncing between devices and backing up on Dropbox. Hope it wasn't too confusing. If you like this video, please add a comment below and subscribe.